Hello the internet! It is Friday the 20th of August 2021 and welcome back to the channel. I've been getting a lot of comments asking about where my mouth mount GoPro has been. Now, without going too deep into that story, GoPro was faffing around all this year since February, replacing that GoPro. If you want to see the full story, check that vlog there. I do have the replacement here with me right now. It's a brand new Hero 9 with a max lens mod. Now, if you're a surfer and you use the max lens mod, you might have noticed it's not that great when it comes to repelling water. Water beads all over the Hero 9 in the surf. Not cool. Obviously, this is the brand new one. Look how clean that is. Brand new, hasn't touched water. This is my existing one. Don't know why it does that, but that's a thing. So what I want to do is, I want to show you, well, first of all, I want to tell you, I've got a little treatment method that'll fix the max lens mod, but I want to compare it with you. So I want to go out. There's not a lot happening here today. The conditions are pretty woeful. This is probably the best time to try this though. I want to go out with the old max lens mod, show you how clean this one is. Then I want to put the brand new one in the water for the first time, untreated. We'll see how that looks. Then I'll treat it, and then we'll see how it looks. How does that sound? So I'm going to grab the old one. I'm going to pop it into the float. I'm going to attach it to the front of the toothpick, Benny Crawford Designs toothpick. I'm going to go out and try to get a few waves. Long-handled pliers. That's because you can't get in there and tighten that sucker up. You might say, dude, why don't you put a Phillips head screwdriver in there? I've put a Phillips head screwdriver in there for the whole year, and that screw thing is screwed. Turn this sucker on. We're rolling. Hello, Hero 9. Let's turn you off. And let's go surfboard riding. There's a little lefty poo coming through here. We'll go out and get a couple. I just want you to see what this is like. Okay, so as I'm sure you're aware, if you do surf with GoPros, you've got to lick the lens. Now this is regardless of whether you do the treatment method or not. So let's lick this guy. Okay, so that's licked. I could even go again. Okay, so we're licked and good to go. Right on the left. That's a couple of waves on my existing GoPro. Let's turn this sucker off. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to bust out the brand new Hero 9, brand new max lens mod. This is out of the factory, into the ocean, no treatment. I will lick it like I licked the other guy. the other guy, and we'll go from there. Brand new GoPro Hero 9, brand new max lens mod. Let's put this sucker in here. Slide this in here. We'll tighten this up, finger tight. Turn this sucker on. Okay, we are rolling here. Let us take the lens cap off. Hello, brand new GoPro. It's taken 7 months for GoPro to do the right thing and send it to me, but here we are. Let's test this as it comes out of the factory into the ocean, in this case the Tasman Sea. Let's go. I'm gonna try the little right section here. How do you feel, new GoPro? I've got to lick you, but there is a wave here already. I gotta lick you. This is part of the... Gotta make sure this is even. Alright, let me give you a lick. That's probably the biggest wave we'll see here, but unfortunately, no face action. Couldn't get onto a clean face. So you see the beading there? I can see it, I can see it, I can see it. So that's just, what you're seeing there is, oh, whoa, hold on a second. So there's the beading right there. Let's head in and do the treatment. So look, I don't know for a fact, but I reckon there's something on the glass. Let's turn this guy off first. I reckon there's something on the glass of the Max Lens mod. I've never had anywhere near that amount of water beading activity on any GoPro but the Max Lens mod. The remedy sounds strange. What you gotta do, you gotta burn it. You gotta take a flame to it. I got a lighter here, gas lighter. You gotta burn that layer off. It sounds strange, but that's what I did to my first GoPro. It sounds strange, right? It sounds like you What, you got to burn the glass? I did it to my first one. I did it to the second one, the one that had to get replaced. It works. This will feel strange. When you do this, you will think this can't be right. Trust me, it's right. You don't have to do much. You will see, and if you're recording, you will see the thing go whoop, and it burns off the layer of gunk, whatever GoPro put on there. Might not be advisable to do this in the sunlight. I can't even tell if this is burning unless it burns my skin. Ah, crikey. So I'm just making sure here, like 100% that I get everything, but if you do this inside, you'll have much better success. Let's put this sucker back in here, and then let's go out and test it as it should be. I don't know why GoPro put that gunk on there. So that's better. That is better, right? That's my hot tip. Get a lighter to your max lens mod if you're gonna go surfing. I don't know what else you'd use a max lens mod for. I guess the horizon stabling is pretty rad for other sports, but definitely surfing. The Hero 9 and the max lens mod, what a combo, they're so cool. But if you found this helpful, share it out with your surfing friends. Those of you who use max lens mods and Hero 9s, share this out. The burning technique, it'll feel weird, but it's right. Do it, use it, share it. Now I'm gonna leave you with a little vista here of the Tasman Sea. Put you down here like this. Like that. You enjoying that vista? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all on the next upload.